And I just want to say one thing which I have done with most creators in Bangalore, and I take no credit for it, but I'm just saying this. Every time somebody starts making content, every time somebody starts making money, I always say to them, please invest your money wisely.
Wow.
Because you need to have something tangible at the end of a career, which is mostly in the air.
Yeah.
So please invest your money wisely. ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಊರದಿಂದ ಇದ್ರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ ಕಾಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, whatever money you make, ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತೇನಿದೆ ನಾಳೆ ಇರತ್ತಾ ಇರಲ್ವಾ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
That's a very cool advice, yeah. Because most of the people, they don't think on this. We think like, ಒಳ್ಳೆದನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇದನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, that we'll do it.
Yeah.
But money na correct age, that's
invest
cool advice.
ತುಂಬಾ important ಅದು. Yeah.
Especially,
in fact, I see there's a guy, trying to think, I saw his YouTube show, I'm not able to think. He does content on investing in Kannada.
Oh.
Which is why, and I'll tell you, for the longest time, I did not know, like, for example, the first time when cricket commentary was in regional languages. For a moment, if you sit back and think, you're like, oh, now is when they actually get the game.
Yeah.
Right? So I think it's important that people do all kinds of content.
Yeah.
There's some very interesting guys in the Kannada space as well.
Yeah.
So if you're making content, great. Please continue doing what you're doing. But along the way, also make sure you invest your money wisely.
Yep.
That's about it.
ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಮಯೂರ ಅಂತ ಮೇನ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಪೂರಾ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ನೀವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ಶೇರ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿ.